Hello and welcome back to Ian's Gadget. In today's video, I'm sharing how I normally clean and clean my printer, because sometimes you could have a printer and it's striking, or there are shadows at the edges when you print, or the print is fainted. Sometimes when that kind of thing happens, it could be time to clean your cartridge, because if you don't clean it, you could have problems. You could have you could not get the perfect prints. So basically what I normally do, you see this is the printer head. So what I do, I normally open this like this. Once I open here, I put my finger here and lift up like this so as to access the cartridge. Now this is the cartridge, the laser printer toner cartridge. So I hold it like this and pull it to remove it. So now I've removed it. So once I've removed it, now it's time. If you look inside here, you'll see there's spillages, ink spillages. So what you could do, you just use a cloth with no lint to wipe like so. Just wipe. It's good to make your printer clean. Just wipe and remove all these spillages like this. Just wipe and make your printer clean inside here. Just like this. Just wipe and just remove all the spillages that are inside here. Once you've removed this, good. Inside here it is clean. So now what you need to do is to clean the cartridge. Now this cartridge, to clean it, it's so easy, because when you want to clean this cartridge, you can actually clean the cartridge without necessarily you can clean the drum without necessarily disassembling. No need to disassemble the cartridge. You can just clean your drum, because when you push this one here, this cover like this, you access your drum. So when you access your drum like this, you just use again a cloth without lint, and you just wipe like this. You just wipe like so. See, you wipe like this until it's clean, and this is supposed to move. If it's not moving like mine, you could use you could use your flat to move it, and when you move, you continue cleaning until you finish. Once you've finished, you just again close there like that. After closing, now it's time to return. So to return, and before you return, it's also good to wipe the cover a little bit so that it also looks good like this. Then what you do now, you just return it. To return it, you just drop it inside like that. Then you push. Once you push like that, your cartridge is back in place. Now you close here and you close here. And I forgot to tell you, before you open or just do what I've done here, it's important first of all to disconnect your machine from the electrical, from the mains. Another thing, if you are using the machine, the inner parts could be hot, so it's good to give it like maybe 5 or 10 minutes to let them cool before you do so. So that's how I normally clean my printer.